Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Let's make salted caramel Tim Tam tart. Place the Tim Tams into your blender and pulse until fine crumbs. Put the blender on low speed and pour in the melted butter. Once it's come together, tip the biscuits into the lined tin. Using the back of a spoon, press the biscuit base into your tart tin. I like to push the biscuit base from the inside to the out, and then I make a little ridge along the edge, and then I push the base up along the sides of the tin. This can be tricky, so take your time and be patient. Pour in your slightly warmed caramel sauce. Then, using an offset spatula, gently spread the caramel sauce evenly over the base. In a separate bowl, we're going to make the chocolate ganache in the microwave. Heat the thickened cream in a microwave-safe container. Then tip in the chopped chocolate. Add the coffee powder and give it a stir. Let it sit for a minute or two and then go back and give it another stir. Heat the mixture in the microwave on 20-second bursts. Be patient, don't be tempted to overheat the cream as it will burn the chocolate and the chocolate will seize. Eventually, the cream and the chocolate will emulsify and create a beautiful glossy chocolate ganache. Alright, now we're ready to pour that delicious ganache over the caramel. Again, using an offset spatula, spread the ganache evenly over the caramel. And there you have it, a decadent tart for all the chocolate and caramel lovers out there. I really hope you give this one a go, and I really hope you enjoy.